There was a man that was drowning in the middle of the sea, and there were absolutely zero chances that he could have actually came out alive all by himself. However, पास से एक शिप गुजरती है, शिप वालों ने उसको ऑफर की कि आप ऊपर आ जाएं, we can save you. But the man refused. Why? Because he was a pure believer. He said कि I'm not going to come because तुम लोगों को कोई हक नहीं मुझे बचाने का, अल्लाह मुझे बचाएगा. God will save me. Okay. शिप वालों उन्होंने इंसिस्ट जरूर किया, but then they left. Then there came a boat. Same story happened. He said, God will save me, and they left. A helicopter came. God will save me, they left. Every single thing passed by. Those were his opportunities, but he literally let them fly by. But then he said, God will save me. And then what happened? You know what the next thing is that happened, right? He drowned, and then he died. And when he went to the heaven, he asked God, why didn't you save me? He said, I sent you 3 opportunities to save yourself. I sent you a boat, I sent you a ship, even sent you a helicopter to give you a little bit of experience in flying, but you didn't accept it. Why didn't you do it? And he was like, I thought you were going to save me, but he said, I'm not going to come down and save you just like that. I'm going to have certain things save you, right? That is just the story. Now, if you relate that to our real lives, what happens? हमारा क्या mindset है as Pakistanis? हमसे ज़्यादा healthy तो कोई है ही नहीं, right? हमसे ज़्यादा अच्छी डाइट तो किसी की भी नहीं है ही नहीं. आई मीन जेन्युइनली हमें तो जिम की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, हमें इन सारी फैसिलिटीज़, हमें इन रिसर्चेस की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. एवरेज लाइफ स्पैन भी हम लोगों का ही 67 ईयर्स है. कैंसर, डायबिटीज़, शुगर, टीबी, इन सब के रेट्स भी कंपैरेटिवली हाई हम में ही हैं. व्हाई इज इट? एंड बाय द वे, हमारा लाइफ स्पैन हैज सिग्निफिकेंटली डिक्रीज आफ्टर द अर्ली 2000s. ठीक है, व्हाई? बिकॉज वी आर प्योरली ruined by this particular feeling कि what will happen? Okay, there are certain supplements जो कि मैं लूंगा and I'll be healthy as shit. Nobody's gonna compare to me. Okay, gym जाने वाले लोगों का ये mindset होता है. There are certain protein things that I'll take and I'll consume and I'll be okay. अभी मैं थोड़े से chips खा लेता हूँ. अभी I don't care about my diet. Even if I'm in my early 20s, I know it is the most critical part of my life, but I'm not going to care. And when I'm 55 years old, I'll take certain supplements and I'll be fine. And I'll live up to 100 years. That is the same mindset that we have in this kind of, we're literally living in 2026 and we have this kind of a mindset. Exactly like that man. What happened with that man? He drowned and then he died. And what happened after that? He complained to God. We're going to do the exact same thing.